This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing high load immediately. Lower screen brightness, but enable all radios and background services so the system works harder. Once done, open multiple heavy apps at once, stream video, run a benchmark, start camera recording. Make sure frame rate is set high. You do this because simultaneous CPU, GPU, and radio use draws current quickly. It stresses battery chemistry and reduces state of charge fast. Keep the device awake and prevent sleep to sustain the draw. Now sustain the load by chaining tasks. Run a benchmark loop and play a high-resolution video while downloading large files over hotspot. Once done, start a game with high graphics and record the screen. Make sure navigation is also active. You do this because mixing compute, display, and radio tasks maximizes current draw across subsystems. Keep peripherals like Bluetooth speakers paired to add tiny extra load, and avoid power-saving modes or thermal throttling that would lower consumption. To finish, keep monitoring battery percentage and stop when you hit your target or the device powers off. Unplug and let it rest. If the device becomes hot, immediately cool it. Move to a shaded area and let it settle at around 20 to 25 degrees C, because high temperature accelerates damage. If you see swelling, erratic charging, or rapid capacity loss afterward, stop attempting fast discharge and consult the manufacturer or a certified repair provider. Do not continue testing with a compromised cell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.